So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, I'm Tracy, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always showing me your love. So today I'm gonna do a different vlog. It will be a cooking vlog, but I'll be cooking fried potatoes today. Today. So yeah, stay tuned, grab a glass of water and cook with me. So guys, this is my mixture. It's a mixture of flour and food color. After mixing, it brings out this mixture, and these are my boiled potatoes. This is the cooking oil. We have the clean water over there. We have a clean bowl with serviettes and a cooking spoon. And right here we have a frying pan. Yeah, so today we'll be cooking fried potatoes. I'll be showing you guys how I cook my fried potatoes. Though I know you know how to cook fried potatoes, but I just decided to do a different video today. So stay tuned, and yeah, let's cook. And after showing you the things that I'll be using, I've decided to let my oil boil or heat, and then after that I'll just pick the potatoes, the boiled potatoes. I've dipped them actually in the mixture that we prepared earlier. So I'll just let the oil to heat, after which I'll dip the boiled potatoes the inside the heated oil. So let's do it. It's a bit hectic because I'm the one holding my phone while recording, and also placing the potatoes, or dipping the potatoes. I'm sorry guys, because I didn't have a friend. My friend, she's not inside, so I couldn't find someone to hold me my phone while doing this. So just bear with me, please. I can't wait to taste after they are ready. Will you taste with me, guys? Anyway, let's give them time to cook, then I'll show you the outcome. Okay, so guys, that's the outcome. My first lot. Does it look delicious? Okay, comment on the comment section and tell me whether they look delicious or not, or I should put more effort. Please guys, tell me on the comment section. But on my own opinion, I just think they look delicious, right guys? So guys, that's it. Thank you so very much for watching and cooking with me all through. I really appreciate. And please guys, subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you guys, I really appreciate your support. So take me to 100 subscribers. That kind of shrubbing. So please subscribe, okay? Love you. Till next time, bye.